This video will show you the problem I had with my furnace. If it helps you, please click the like button.
This is my York Diamond 90 furnace.
The symptom was a bunch of water on the floor on the right hand side near the drain tube. When I opened up the furnace, also a bunch of water on the shelf shown here. I noticed that after the furnace was running constantly for about 20 minutes or longer, I'd get this strange clicking noise and a flame flickering. So there's a clog somewhere. So we turn this into this. Please make sure to turn off your main power before doing this. When I removed one of the hoses near the fan, this is what I found. A clogged port where the water's supposed to drain out of. So we got to clean that, and also the hoses and the triple check valve. Only clean the black hoses and the triple check valve with ordinary water in the sink. Do not immerse anything else in the water. For the drain clog, I just used a plain ordinary white Q-tip and kept scooping up the debris until it was empty. Okay, time to put everything carefully back into place. Don't forget to turn the main power back on, and voila, everything seems to be working great. Again, if this helped you, please click the like button at the bottom. These videos take a long time to produce.